Beneath. If something is beneath something else, it is under it.
The largest part of an iceberg lies beneath the waterline.
Cub. A cub is a baby animal, such as a bear or lion.
The lion cub was crying for its mother.
Dawn. Dawn is the time of day when the sun rises.
At dawn, the sun gently rose over the farm.
Dissatisfied. If you are dissatisfied, you are not happy with something.
I was dissatisfied with their decision to work on Sunday.
Ease. When something is done with ease, it is not hard to do.
The monkey climbed the tree with ease.
Evident. When something is evident, it is easy to see or understand.
It was evident from the look on his face that he was unhappy.
Hail. Hail is ice that falls from the sky when rain freezes.
The hail from the storm was the size of golf balls.
Howl. To howl means to make a long, loud sound like a wolf or a dog.
The wolf howled at the moon.
Leap. To leap means to jump a long distance.
He had to leap over the gap to reach the other side of the hill.
Magnificent. When something is magnificent, it is beautiful and grand.
The man gave his wife a pair of magnificent diamond earrings.
Necessity. A necessity is something that is needed.
Fresh water is a necessity for life.
Outcome. An outcome is the end of an action or event.
The outcome of his latest business plan was a complete failure.
Pile. A pile is a large group of things on top of one another.
The pile of cups was beginning to tilt.
Profound. When something is profound, it is very intelligent.
For a little boy, Jeremy has some profound thoughts.
Seize. To seize something means to grab it quickly or strongly.
The man seized as much money as he could before anyone could see him.
Squeeze. To squeeze something means to press it together and hold it tightly.
When Clara saw her cat, she gave it a big squeeze.
Supreme. When something is supreme, it is the highest or best.
The supreme officer was in charge of keeping the citizens calm.
Terrific. When something is terrific, it is very good.
My youngest daughter is a terrific painter.
Trait. A trait is part of someone's personality.
One trait of Salvador's personality is his cheerfulness.
Vital. When something is vital, it is necessary for life.
The heart is a vital organ. Little Wolf and Mother Wolf. Mother Wolf was a magnificent animal. She had all the traits of a terrific hunter. She was very strong and fast. She knew how to hide and how to seize prey. Mother Wolf was the forest's supreme creature. Her skills were evident to all the other animals. Mother Wolf lived in a den beneath a tree with her cub, Little Wolf. At dawn, Little Wolf and Mother Wolf were eating breakfast. Little Wolf looked sad. Mother Wolf said, "What is wrong, my cub?" Little Wolf said, "I want to be big like you. You can run and leap better than anyone. You can howl so loudly. Being big is a necessity, and I am so small." Mother Wolf said, "Don't be dissatisfied with your size. Being small can be very helpful sometimes." Just then, rain and hail began to fall. The tree was hit by lightning. It fell on the wolf's den. Little Wolf was scared. The wolves knew that escaping the den was vital. Mother Wolf said, "Little Wolf, I cannot move the heavy pile of branches, but you can escape with ease. You can get out and find help." Little Wolf crawled out of the den and called all the large animals for help. They went to the den and pulled away the branches. Mother Wolf came out and said, "Thank you, Little Wolf. You saved my life." She softly squeezed Little Wolf and kissed her. Little Wolf smiled. She said, "Mother, this outcome has taught me a profound lesson. Even though I'm small, I'm still important."